Introducing our BitPOS kitchen display setup with a bundle of our BitPOS mobile order taking kit. So let's dive in with the process. So this is my BitPOS kitchen display. It is installed in an Android device. You may install it to any Android devices as long as it's compatible with our specs. And I highly motivate a bigger screen for easy navigation. So here we can actually see the list of tables. I have the list of dishes and some features on top. And let me discuss first the table coloring that we have here. So we have three colors for the table. The green one means all the dishes inside this table is uncooked. We also have the orange one, which is a combination of dishes that is uncooked and cooked. And the gray one, which means that all the dishes here is already cooked. Aside from that one, on this side, you can also see the list of products or dishes that is yet to be cooked. And the latest one will be on top, and then the last one will be on the bottom part. So aside from that, you also have buttons here on top like the report that can be printed out in a printer or in a receipt printer. Aside from that, we also have the latest items here. And we also have here the tables where you can see all the pending tables inside your store, the dishes, the completed products that you have cooked already, and you can tap refresh to refresh your interface and to see the latest order that your waiter or the customer did inside your store. Aside from that, you also have a configuration or setting here that you can customize the view. You want it smaller, you want it bigger, the height to be taller or shorter, depends on what is your preference. You can do that one, depends on you, and then just tap save on that one. Automatically, you can see that the interface is already changed. Now, you can also see here that there are products that are crashed out. It means it's already cooked, and all these pending products that you have here. So, if we're going to take an order here using our BitPOS mobile order taking device, you just tap a specific table here. And then, once you already tap that specific table, just select In Tindahan Order. So once you tap In Tindahan Order, you just tap Items and see the list of menus that you have inside your store. So these are the menus that I have inside my store. I can just randomly select, input the number of quantity, tap OK, and then another one, tap OK, and then another one, tap OK. So, as you can see, there is a confirmation on the side, and you can hear that the BitPOS kitchen display actually said you have new order, which is a confirmation that there are new orders or incoming orders in your store. So, if you tap refresh, automatically it gets refreshed. You will see the list of orders on the side and, of course, the list of table that are still pending. So if you tap that specific table here, okay, so just tap on that one. Just tap on that specific table. And if it's done, you can just crash out that specific order. So see, for example, in this one, this is already done. So just tap on that one. And of course, automatically you will see the list of orders for that specific table. So just tap and then double tap on that one. And you see here that it got crashed out here on this interface, and then just tap close. And automatically that table is already colored orange. We also have an option in the system where you can actually print a dispatch slip where you can give it towards your waiter, and the moment they dispatch the product towards the table, we have a copy on that one. So that is optional in your end, and if you want to implement that one, that's fine in our system. We can do that one. If you want to know further more about the setup of our kitchen display, you may message us or you may click this link to know more so that I can run through all the features.